Hi guys! In this video, I'll show you how to download and play Roblox on your MacBook. This is super easy and I'll show you that it works right away. Right here, I already have Roblox running on my Mac, and as you can see, the game launches and plays normally. If Roblox isn't installed yet, or it won't open on your Mac, this should fix it. So first, open your preferred browser. In this video, I'll be using Safari. Search for Roblox and open the official website. Then log in into your account or create one if you don't have one yet. Once you're in Roblox, pick any game and click the play button. Then a pop-up will appear. Just click on Download Roblox. If Safari asks you if you want to allow downloads from Roblox, just click Allow. Now go to the download icon at the top right of your browser. Double-click the roblox.dmg file. The Roblox installer window will appear. Just double-click the Roblox logo to start installing. If a warning like this pops up, just click Open. Once it finishes, the app should open automatically. Now just log in into your account again. Then Roblox will take you back to the game you picked earlier. Just press on play, and the game will start loading. And that's it. Now you can play Roblox on your MacBook. You can open different games directly from the app without needing to reinstall anything. Next time, you can also just open Roblox directly from your applications folder or from dock. You don't need to download it again. And that's how to download and play Roblox on your MacBook. This is super easy once it's set up. If this helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.